Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to accept Cash App payments easily. First, you will need to download the Cash App application from your device's App Store. Once installed, simply open the app and follow the prompts to create your personal account. You can use your phone number or email address for registration. To prepare for receiving and sending money, link a valid bank account or debit card, which takes only a few simple steps. This setup ensures you are ready for seamless transactions. To request a payment, first open your Cash App and tap on the Request tab located at the bottom of your screen. Next, carefully enter the precise amount of money you wish to receive from the payer. You will then input the sender's unique cash tag, their phone number, or their registered email address. Double-check all the details to ensure accuracy before you confirm and send your request, then simply wait for the payment to arrive. When someone sends you a payment, your Cash App will provide an instant notification on your device, letting you know the funds have arrived. To view the complete details of this and all your other transactions, simply navigate to the Activity tab, where everything is clearly listed. Any money you receive is automatically added to your available Cash App balance. It is always a good practice to quickly verify the sender's name and the exact amount to confirm the payment is correct. Once you have received payments, you can easily transfer your Cash App balance to your linked bank account. You have two primary options for cashing out your funds. The standard transfer method is completely free of charge and typically takes between 1 to 3 business days for the money to appear. For immediate access, choose the instant transfer option. This instant service incurs a small fee, which is 1.5% of the total amount being transferred. Your money will arrive in seconds with this method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.